Good morning, children. Very good morning, children. Very good morning. Today we will continue chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals. Chapter is going to be completed. Few topics are left that I will teach you today. And for Sunday online test, your question is I had mentioned it on the group. Had you seen, children? But yes, you are right. Your portion for Sunday online test is chapter soil. Okay. So tomorrow, yes, revision of chapter soil will take place tomorrow. Okay. So today this chapter is going to be completed. Meaning of used for grasping the branches. Monkeys have the tail for grasping the branches. So prehensile means capable of grasping the branches. Am I clear? You must you must have seen that the monkeys swing through the branches because the tail is capable of grasping the branches. Prehensile means capable of grasping the branches. Am I clear? Okay, so yesterday you had read about the tropical rainforest. Heavy rainfall takes place in the tropical rainforest, and the world's largest tropical rainforest is found in Amazon basin. Okay, Amazon jungle is the world's largest tropical rainforest. Okay, and second largest tropical rainforest is Central Africa. Africa. Okay, and in India, you have seen that tropical rainforest is found in Western Ghat and Assam. Am I clear? The important animals of tropical rainforest. What did you ask? What was your question? It is found in Western Ghat and Assam. In India, found in Western Ghat and Assam. Okay, and a number of animals are adapted to this Western Ghat and Assam. Like you have red children, red-eyed frog. The frog in which you have seen red, and they have long lips. Okay, and then you had red other animals like monkey, which have prehensile tail, and these monkeys use their fingers and toes as a hook to swing through the branches, which help them to swing through the branches. They have prehensile tail, they have fingers and toes which act as hook for hooks which they use them for swinging from the branches. Then you had red children, lion tailed macaw. Lion-tailed macaw are also the monkeys. They are not ordinary monkeys because they have black fur on their body, black hair is present on their body, and on the face also you will see grayish white hair is present around the face, and they have a pouch cheek. They have a pouch in their cheek, and this cheek is used to store the food. The capacity of the cheek pouch is as much as the capacity of the stomach. They store the food in the cheek pouch, and then the time they use this cheek pouch. Okay, this is a special feature of lion-tailed macaw. Why it is called lion-tailed macaw? Because the tail of this monkey is like a lion. There, there is a yes, there is a tail like a lion. As you see, there is a tuft of hair at the end of the tail of lion. In the similar way, in this monkey also there is a tuft of hair at the tip of the tail. Yes, the tail has a tussle. Tussle means a tuft of hair at the end of the tail. So this feature of lion-tailed macaw. Lion-tailed macaw स्पेशल मंकी है, ये ऑर्डिनरी मंकी नहीं है। क्यों? क्योंकि इसके पूरे बॉडी में आप पिक्चर देखिए, ब्लैक कलर का हेयर है और फेस पर भी हेयर है जो कि ग्रेइश व्हाइट है, और इसका टेल लायन के टेल जैसा है। इसके टेल के एंड में टसल है, मतलब टफ्ट गुच्छा हेयर का, जैसे लायन के टेल में होता है। तो इसीलिए इस मंकी का नाम है लायन टेल्ड मकाऊ। चीक पाउच होता है जिसमें कि ये ब्रांच वगैरह जो भी तोड़ता है, फ्रूट्स वगैरह, वो उसी पाउच में रखता भी है। और इसका कैपेसिटी स्टमक के कैपेसिटी के जैसा होता है, और फ्री टाइम में, लीजर टाइम में ये उसमें से निकाल के खाता भी है। ठीक है, तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द लायन टेल्ड मकाऊ। Am I clear, children? Many big cats are also found in the tropical rainforest. Big cats are adapted to tropical rainforest. These big cats are like lion, tiger, leopard, etc. Yes, and they have flexible bodies which are designed for running, jumping, climbing, etc. They have strong and flexible body which they help them in running, jumping, or climbing. Okay, and these animals are carnivorous. They are flesh eating animals, so they have short intestine. Children, you know herbivores have long intestine, like cow has long intestine. But these animals like lion, tiger, leopard, which are found in the tropical rainforest, they have short intestine because they are carnivorous. Okay, but they have sharp teeth. They have teeth which use them for tearing the flesh of the animals. They are carnivorous, so they have sharp teeth for tearing the flesh or meat, not vegetable matter. Their sharp teeth are scissors like to tear into the flesh. And most big cats hunt at night and can see 6 times better than human beings. They have very good range of vision. They can see wide range of vision, but they cannot see the color. Okay, they cannot see the color. Am I clear, children? Once again I repeat, children, that big cats are in forest. These big cats are lion, tiger, leopard, etc. They have very flexible bodies which they help them running, jumping, etc. They have flexible body, so they can run fast, they can jump, they can climb. Okay, and they have short intestine because they are carnivorous, they are meat eating, flesh eating, so their teeth are very sharp like scissors. Okay, and teeth are like scissors means कैंची के जैसा उनका teeth sharp होता है ना, for tearing the flesh. And the other characters, they hunt at night because they have 6 times better vision than human being. They can see 6 times better than human being. Okay, children, they have a larger field of vision, but they cannot see the color. We can see the color, pets can see the color, but the lion, tiger, leopard, they cannot see the color. So you understood, children? Yes, yes. Very good question. No, cats cannot see the color. Okay, cow can see. Domestic animals can see. Okay, so once yes, they are color. They have color blindness. Now listen. Listen, I told you they have flexible body. Once again, I repeat, what are the adaptations of big cats? Big cats means lion, tiger, leopard. Why they can live in the tropical rainforest? What are the traits which enable them to survive in the tropical rainforest? These traits are they have flexible body which help them to run fast, to jump, to climb on the trees. है ना? So they have flexible body. Next you have seen their teeth are very sharp like scissors which help them to tear the flesh. They are carnivorous, so they have which intestine? Short intestine. They have short intestine. Some network problem is there, children. Let's wait. Yes, I will. Yes, children, so you have seen that these big cats are adapted to tropical rainforest. Okay, the now you will see, children, the other animal which is adapted to tropical rainforest is elephant. In the elephant, the nose and the upper lips, they are fused to form a long trunk. Okay, nose and upper lips are fused to form a long trunk, and these trunks have how many muscles? 15 lakh muscles. Nose and upper lips are fused to form a trunk, and this trunk has 150 lakh muscles. 1 lakh 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000. Yes, 1 lakh 50,000 muscles are there in the trunk. Okay, the trunk of the elephant are the largest and the heaviest teeth of any living animal. It is the largest and heaviest teeth. The trunk of elephant are the largest and the heaviest teeth of any living animal. And how many muscles are in the trunk? 1 lakh 50,000 muscles are there. Yes, 1 lakh 50,000. And this trunk performs many functions. It has this trunk is versatile, means it performs many functions. Like the elephant can use the trunk as a hand for grasping low growing stuff and other food materials and placing them into the mouth. Okay, they can take anything with the help of trunk. They can also use it as breaking of tree branches. Trunk is used as an arm for breaking tree branches or a snorkel like tube projecting above water for breathing when the elephant's body is submerged. Okay, I told you children that the trunk is versatile. Versatile means it performs many functions. The elephant uses it as an arm, or they can use it for taking bath when they are submerged in water. पानी में जब वो घुसते हैं तो ट्रंक से वो स्नान भी कर लेते हैं, नहा भी लेते हैं, ठीक है. And nostrils at the tip enable elephants to detect odor. और ट्रंक के टिप पर nostrils होता है. आपके नोज में ये दो होल्स जो हैं इसको हम लोग nostrils कहते हैं. उसी तरह at the tip of the trunk there is nostril. Okay, and this nostril enables the elephant to detect the odor. Odor means smell. हम लोगों को भी इस nostril से हम लोग नाक से डिटेक्ट करते हैं ऑर्डर को. ऑर्डर मीन्स स्मेल. उसी तरह से ये ट्रंक जो है ये भी एलिफेंट को हेल्प करता है वो सूंघने में. ऑर्डर पता चलता है उनको, किसी भी चीज का स्मेल पता चलता है, ठीक है. तो कितनी बार देखे कि ट्रंक से वो बहुत सारा काम लेते हैं. जैसे वो ट्रंक को हैंड के रूप में यूज करते हैं, आर्म के रूप में यूज करते हैं, ठीक है. ब्रांचेस को तोड़कर मुंह में भी डाल सकते हैं ब्रांच को. और जब वो पानी में घुसते हैं तो उससे वो नहा भी सकते हैं. और ट्रंक के टिप पर जो है वो एक नॉस्ट्रिल्स जो होता है जिससे वो ऑर्डर को डिटेक्ट करते हैं, स्मेल को डिटेक्ट करते हैं. तो इसीलिए कहते हैं कि एलिफेंट्स हैव वर्सेटाइल ट्रंक. Versatile trunk means this trunk is used for various purposes. Like they may use trunk as an arm. They may use the trunk as a hand, and they can, when they are submerged in water, they can take their bath with the help of trunk. And at the tip of trunk there is nostril which help the elephant to detect the odor. So they can use their trunk for various purposes. Though their eyesight is poor, elephants can smell water at great distance and can hear certain sounds from more than a mile away. Their vision is poor. Okay, their eyesight is poor, but they have very good sense of smell and very good sense of hearing. They can hear the sound from more than a mile away. एक मील दूर में जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है या उससे भी दूर उसको भी वो सुन लेते हैं. They have very good sense of vision and very good sense of smell. वो दूर से ही उनको किसी चीज की खुशबू समझ में आ जाती है. उनको स्मेल का बहुत अच्छा ज्ञान होता है, लेकिन उनका आई साइट पुअर होता है. ठीक है बच्चों. So once again I repeat, what are the characters in the elephant which enable them to survive in tropical rainforest? In the elephant, the nose and the upper lip is fused to form a trunk, and this trunk is versatile because it acts as a hand. It helps in grasping something. It acts as an arm. The elephant can break the branches and they can eat the branches in their mouth with the help of trunk. And when they are submerged in water, they use their trunk for taking bath. And at the tip of the trunk, there is a nostril which help the elephant detect the odor. Odor means smell. Elephants do not have good sense of vision. They have poor eyesight, but their sense of hearing and sense of smell is very good, better than human being. Did you understand everything? So you have seen the characters, traits of once I tell you children that in the polar region we have two important animals, that is polar bear and penguin. Okay, in the tropical forest you have more animals because in the tropical rainforest two-third species of plants and animals are existing. Two-third species of the plants and animals of the earth are existing only in tropical rainforest. So many animals are adapted like red-eyed frog, tocotucan. Tocotucan is a bird which has very long beak for peeling the fruits, and the beak is very beautiful. It is of orange color. Okay, and there is a spot at the tip of the beak. So this tocotucan is a bird adapted to tropical rainforest. Monkey is adapted to tropical rainforest. Lion-tailed macaw. Then you have red large cats like lion, tiger, leopard, and lastly you have seen children elephant. So you should memorize all the traits, characters of these animals which enable them to survive in tropical rainforest. That is called adaptation. So you should learn. Okay? Any problem in this chapter? Okay. Yes, very easy and interesting. Children, all the chapters are interesting. All chapters. If you understand the chapter, it becomes it becomes very interesting. Yes. What problem? Ask me. Okay, I make you understand. Elephants are also adapted to tropical rainforest because you will see children in the elephant the nose and the upper lip. We have this upper lip and lower lip. This nose and upper lip is fused. मिल गया है ना टू फॉर्म अ ट्रंक. सूंड जो देखते हैं ना वो क्या है? ट्रंक है. ठीक है. एंड this trunk is versatile because it performs many functions. They use their trunk as hand. हम लोग जैसे हाथ से कुछ पकड़ते हैं ना वैसे ही वो ट्रंक से कुछ पकड़ सकते हैं. They can break the branch of the trunk and they can eat them in the mouth. And the trunk is also used when they when they enter the water, when they are submerged in water, they use trunk for taking their bath. स्नान करते हैं, नहाते हैं ट्रंक से. ठीक है. और क्या करते हैं वो ट्रंक से? There is nostril at the tip of the trunk which help them to detect the odor. Odor means smell. They can smell with the help of nostril which is at the tip of the trunk. Yes. And then that they do not have good sense of vision. They have poor eyesight. एलिफेंट को बहुत नहीं दिखता है. पुअर आई साइट होता है बट वेरी गुड सेंस ऑफ हियरिंग एंड वेरी गुड सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. सुनाई बहुत देता है वो सुन सकता है और उनको दूर की खुशबू आती है. ठीक है. Now did you understand? Now understand which paragraph? Amazon world's largest forest. A number of plants and animals are existing there, and Amazon basin is in the tropical rainforest. And second world's largest tropical rainforest is in of Africa. ठीक है, यही है अमेजोन जंगल, सबसे जंगल है, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट है वहाँ। और सेकंड लार्जेस्ट जो है का वो है सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ अफ्रीका। दोनों ही जगह में बहुत बड़ा बड़ा ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट है। यस, यस। फिर से पूछिए। ऑन योर वाटर में अगर कुछ, listen, you are correct, there is no smell in water. Water is colorless, odorless and tasteless. This is the character of water. So how an elephant can smell water? Your question is very good. But if something is dissolved in the water, then there is some smell in water. Nowadays, water is polluted, so there may have smell in the water if the water is not pure water. If the water is polluted, then water may have some smell, may have some color. Okay, may have some taste. Otherwise, if the water is pure water, then this water is colorless, odorless and tasteless. But if something is dissolved in water, then water will have some color, taste, odor, etc. Any other question? It is in America. It is in America. Which America? South or North? Are you guessing? Perhaps in South America. You will see the map, okay? And tomorrow you will tell me in the classroom. Okay? Amazon jungle is perhaps in South America. This is in America, but 99 South America. Okay? So you will map and tomorrow you will inform in the classroom. So now children, I tell you question of this chapter. Once I tell you important question, all of you will underline. What are the, what is weather? What are the elements of weather? What are the elements of weather? Next question, distinguish climate. Next question, describe climate in India. For climatic, then define adaptation. Adaptation. Next, what are the characters of bear and penguin which help them to survive in polar region? Or what are the adaptations of polar bear and penguin? Did you take children? All these all these questions these questions will be asked in your exam. So you should find the book just now. Whenever I teach, what is weather? What are the elements? of weather. Distinguish between weather and climate. Distinguish between weather and climate and different climatic zones of India. What are the traits of polar bear and penguin which enable them to survive in polar region? Or what are the adaptations of polar bear? What are the adaptations of penguin in rainforest? Uh, what are the characters of red eye frog? Then characters of monkey, lion-tailed macaw, lion, leopard, or big cat. The characters of the elephant, how the trunk is used for various purposes, what are the usage of the trunk, etc. Okay. These questions are very, very important. Yes. Now listen, name the elements that determine the weight of a place. You can write name the elements that determine the weight of a place. Can you say the answer? Yes. Name the very good, correct answer. Now next question is, when are the maximum and minimum temperatures likely to occur during the day? Anjali, give the answer. Anjali, give the answer. When are the maximum and minimum temperatures likely to occur during the day? Maximum temperature and minimum temperature. You are yes, very good. That is called dawn. Very good.